Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing and also testing of this Bluetooth dual mode keyboard and mouse set from Linlinco. So I'm using it for my mini PC that's hooked up on TV, which I'm using for streaming. So I'm really excited to test it out and see if it's gonna meet my requirements. So that's the keyboard itself. It's nicely packed. That's the mouse. I really wanted to get this set because of the way mouse has been designed, and it's really lightweight, and each button, as you can see, is really nice to push. Let's get this one out. Okay, so the keyboard is not very heavy but not very light either, and has a very nice feel. I really liked this design as well, that's why I wanted to use it. Let's see how it works out. Has this charging cable, and I'm gonna hook it up and we'll see how it works